Jeff from BloomsByTheBox here, and today we're going to be talking about how to properly care for your tulips. Now, tulips usually remind everyone of springtime, but they're available all year round coming out of Holland, and they come in a variety of different colors, so they're great for weddings or other events that you have. When you get your flowers, they're going to come in our custom Blooms box, and you want to make sure that as soon as you get your flowers, you open them up and prepare them to put them in water. So when you get your tulips, to prepare them to put them in water, you're going to want to remove the plastic covering. And you'll notice that they come 10 stems in a bunch, and each stem has one flower on it. If you want to reveal the flower a little bit more, you can remove some of these petals here, these leaves, to show the petals. To ensure proper hydration, you want to cut the stem at a 45-degree angle, like that, and then put it in lukewarm water to make sure that the flower is properly hydrated. Now, there are other different types of tulips, such as a parrot tulip, and those have, as opposed to these regular tulips, those have a more ruffled petal. They give you a little bit of texture for your arrangement. And a little fact about tulips is, even after they've been cut and you put them in water, they will continue to grow for the entirety of their life. If you notice any of your tulips drooping a little bit when you put them in water, you can put them in a taller vase to support the flower and stem a little bit better. And once properly hydrated, they will usually perk up. Even if they start off with a little bit of a curve, the next day you'll notice they will be straight up in the vase. So here we are 6 hours later. The flowers have been in water, and you can see they're starting to perk up a little bit. The flowers are opening up, and you can start to see the shape of the bloom. If at this point your flowers have not really taken to the water and still seem a little bit droopy, you can add some lukewarm water to them, and if you want to make the blooms pop a little bit more, you can put them in an open near a window so that they open up a little bit more. And next, we're going to show you how to make a simple springtime centerpiece with tulips. And we're going to use this clear vase here because tulips look great in clear glass.